Coach bags for summer. This one's under $100. This one's under $200. They're micro bags, they're cream colored, they're perfect. Let me show you guys some details of these, and then maybe you'll want to get one for yourself. By the way, this video is going to be super quick and concise, hopefully under 5 minutes. If you're curious as to the outfit that I'm wearing, this is from Shein. I'm going to have it linked in description. This is a really nice snug fit, and I think it was under $20. So the first one I want to go over is this little clutch slash toiletry bag. They said it could be used as a toiletry bag, but it is meant to be a crossbody bag that can be used with or without the strap. I immediately love this bag because it's got like a faux alligator texture pattern to it. I was looking for a gift for someone very special to me. I found this and I was like, okay, I need to get one for myself too. So let me tell you a couple of details that I really like about this bag. First, I like that the bag has a really good structure. So this bag is very firm on the sides and it stands up on its own. I'm going to show you a comparison to my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch clutch. That one has no structure and it doesn't hold itself together. And because of that, it bottoms out on the bottom if it's filled with stuff that's too heavy. With this one, I cannot indent my finger into the bottom or the side of the purse. It's got a really good framework around here and it's just beautiful. Now on the inside, it does come with one little compartment here for putting cards, and my favorite part is that it comes with a strap and it has 2 hooks on either side for this strap. So when I saw this bag, I initially thought it would be a great purse to have for the airport. Okay, so I've put it on the strap and now I'm gonna have it crossbody. Hopefully you can see. If I move too far away from the camera, sorry, like the lighting goes down. So I'm trying not to move too far, but this is the crossbody bag on with this outfit. And like I mentioned, I purchased it for the airport and I actually used it when I went on my recent trip to Mexico. Because it's such a tiny bag, it's really either a clutch for a night out or, like I said, an airport bag. It fit my passport and my phone perfectly. They were hanging at my side when I'm going through TSA. Just take out my passport, phone, everything readily accessible. And it's so small that it can fit into your actual carry-on bag if you have a carry-on duffel or something of the sort. This would also be great for running errands or anywhere where you want to be hands-free, but you don't need a bunch of stuff on hand with you. Just so adorable. So this is the original strap that it comes with. This is pretty much the standard Coach strap. The only thing is that it does not shorten. It is that crossbody length. You may be able to find the Coach strap shorter so that way you can make it a little shoulder bag, because look at how cute that is. I have another strap right now that I'm going to try on. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, I've changed up the strap just from another purse that I have. And look at how adorable this is. Oh my gosh, it like makes the look. So now I can wear this out to dinner. I don't have to worry about it being on my side. It's super cute, super accessible. A third way you can wear it is just in hand like this. Oftentimes when I go out to dinner, I just do have a regular clutch bag. So I'll have it like this underneath my arm. It's perfect. Now you can use this as like a makeup bag, I guess, only if you have a few products, but not that much is gonna fit in here, guys. Honestly, when I say if it's 2 like iPhone Pro Maxes, that's pretty much it. Maybe a set of keys, depends how big your phone is, but it is really not super big. And if you overstuff it, it starts getting a ballooned out appearance from the sides, which I'm not a big fan of. Let me just really quickly compare to the LV toiletry pouch so you guys can get an idea for the size. Okay, so here it is compared to my LV toiletry bag. And as you can see, it's significantly smaller. It's a cute little baby version of it. But look at the bottom. You can just tell already at the bottom of this one, it's bottoming out because it doesn't have any rigidity or structure on the bottom. It does on the sides, but not on the bottom. Whereas this one holds its shape super well. You can see the lining right there. So as I mentioned, this one, if I stand it up on the table, it doesn't stand up. I have to lay it flat. This one will stand up on its own, which is awesome. Also, guys, this bag was $83. That is such a steal for such a good quality bag. Coach makes great high quality leather goods that are really affordable, which I love. And whoever the new creative director is or whoever's doing their marketing, they're on point. Like the pillowy purse is so cute. Just their designs are really trendy and modern and adorable. So this one I definitely recommend. It's so cute. I haven't posted it on IG yet because I don't want the person who I bought it for as a gift to see. Let me show you this little one right here now. So this is a tiny little micro bag. It's a top handle bag. Can you guys tell that I love white? It also comes in black, which is awesome. Oh, and I wanted to mention, this one comes in other colors too. I think it also comes in black, but of course I'm gonna get the cream. And this little one also comes with its own crossbody strap, which I thought was really cute. Again, not the most fits in here. I've taken this one out when I go grocery shopping, where it's my phone and my keys and my little wallet wristlet. Perfect for a date, or like I said, if you want an airport bag. I will say though, I have taken this one also to the airport, and because it's so tight, I find that taking my hand in and out several times, I kind of get a little bit scratched up on the zipper. That's one thing that I didn't like about this one. It's kind of a tight opening. And the main reason I got this purse is because I was looking at the LV Nano Speedy. I think that's the comparable size and like style of this bag. And I didn't know if it was going to be too small. I'm not going to spend X amount of dollars on an LV bag if it's not going to fit anything in there. So this one was super cute. I was in the market for a white bag that was cute and small, and I said I'm going to buy it. And then if I actually like the size and I feel like it can fit enough stuff, then maybe I'll put the LV one on my wish list. But after I got this one, I thought, no, I don't really want a bag that's that expensive, that's so tiny. Sad but true. Okay, I put the strap on this one. And here she is with the strap on. So cute. Falls to the side. Like I mentioned, I did take this out to like a birthday party, and I loved how it was so tiny and I was hands-free. It's also not super heavy. So here's another one that's really cute. I've also worn it out where I just don't have the strap and I have it like this draped on my arm, or you can hold it like this with the strap dangling like so. There's a lot of different ways to wear it, but overall, I love them and highly recommend them. Another thing I love about Coach bags is that the leather does not damage easily and it doesn't change color easily. So if we're talking LV, the patina leather is going to change color and get darker over time with body oil, water. If it's raining, oh God forbid, it's like, can I put my purse under my clothes or something to prevent it from getting wet? You don't have to feel the fear with these bags, which is why I really like them. Over the years, I've saved and I've been fortunate enough to collect several different designer bags, but yet I find myself still always going back to my favorite Coach bags. So trust me when I tell you, these are gonna be a really good investment for your wardrobe. All right, guys, that was it, short and sweet. Make sure you take a look at the description box. I'm gonna have everything linked there for you. And if you have any questions, just feel free to leave me a comment. And if you have an Instagram, I would love it if you could please go and follow me there. I'm trying to bring up those numbers and it would mean so much to me. Thank you so much. Bye.